body camera video and new details on last week's deadly police shooting where officers killed a man armed with a machete-style knife. Officers responded to the home near McCart Avenue and Alta Mesa Boulevard after a 911 call from the man's mother saying he needed mental help. When officers arrived, they found 37-year-old Robert Bradshaw holding the knife. They told him to drop it. He wouldn't do it. One officer considered using a taser, but then they say he charged at them. Both officers fired.
Put the knife down! Don't come in here. Hey, we need it.
We're going to come on.
Don't come in here.
Put the knife down!
Right now! No. Get your taser. Get your taser. No.
Today, officers also released doorbell video from earlier that same evening. They say Bradshaw had pushed a woman from his car. Then, as she was running away, he sped up and struck her. Police say the woman was seriously injured. Bradshaw fled that scene and headed to his mother's home, where officers later